Each HVAC system has different speeds or stages of operation. The speeds are single-stage, two-stage, and variable speed. First, a single-stage system operates at either full capacity or is turned completely off. Trained single-stage units are affordable options initially, but may lead to more energy use as the unit switches on and off to maintain the temperature for ideal home comfort. Second, a two-stage system controls the temperature in your home more accurately than a single-stage system because it operates at a high and low setting, and therefore uses less energy and is more efficient than a single-stage. This system is ideal for homes with many rooms or temperature fluctuation. Two-stage systems are also more efficient in removing moisture and reducing humidity in the home. Lastly, a variable speed system is the most efficient and quiet system. A variable speed system has the capability to maintain the highest level of temperature control and provides optimal humidity control. This system is ideal for homes that experience temperature swings and/or high humidity. This option has more upfront costs but can offer a more energy-efficient solution. Trained HVAC specialists can answer questions and help determine what speed system is best for you. Contact us to take steps towards your ideal home comfort solution.